Hello, gentlemen. Welcome back to Sunkit Automation YouTube channel. Today I make a video to introduce Intel Ryzen D55 and how to D455 and instruction how to start with Intel Ryzen camera. Okay, I have a Intel Ryzen D55 here. Yeah. Okay, the first time you need to plug Intel Ryzen camera into a USB connection. I am using a Windows PC. So what I'm doing is now I plug it into USB card first, connector first, and then secondly I will open. Yeah, I will open Google and then I search Intel Ryzen viewer first. Okay, when you search Intel Ryzen viewer, you need to download Intel Ryzen and then you go here, open. In this Intel Ryzen 80 case, click Window. Let me see here. Sorry, I go wrong place. I need to search the Intel Ryzen viewer first. See, I'm using Intel Ryzen. Yeah, okay. Let me Intel Ryzen 80K 2.0 beta. Okay, I go down here, go down from here again, and I'm using Windows PC, so I select Intel Ryzen viewer beta. Okay, so Intel Ryzen viewers is like a server to collect data from Intel Ryzen camera. So so I will download this first. Okay, the first time I need to download Intel Ryzen and I open here. I already download here, so I start Intel Ryzen and run this. When the Intel Ryzen viewer server is started, you need to actually this camera, because it have a depth image inside, so we need to start the server first so that Python or any other software can connect from the software to connect with camera. This Intel Ryzen viewer like stay at the middle. It collect data from camera and it share data to Python or any other programming software. So what I'm doing is, secondly, I will need to start enable firmware here. If you don't enable firmware, Python cannot read the data from PI camera, from the Intel Ryzen camera. So what I'm doing is start is, okay. When you start this, you see the data from camera will collect this to the server. So from here you can see RGB image, okay, a stereo image. Okay, for example here, when you start using camera, you can observe the image, and the image in this case directly is on the screen. The left side of your hand, it is the depth camera. See, the depth is indicate the color depend on the place. As example, from when you click on your mouse here, it indicate only 0.3 meter, but black red color is 2.4 meter, right? Yeah. Okay. Near here, let me see on the board. My place is the 0.5 meter. Okay, sorry. So Intel Ryzen, when the example, when you open Intel Ryzen viewer, if you keep stereo mode and RAB is on, Python cannot connect. Normally you need to stop it. You need to stop the the from server before Python connecting to the camera. Okay, now you open Python. An example here, I open Python from here. Okay, now I already opened Python. uh, I need to close everything for you to easy to understand. um, I close Python already. I open Python already, so I coming into my environment. I use Anaconda, uh, yeah, to create the virtual environment for Python. So in the Python's project, I create Intel Lucent camera. Normally, I use the Intel Lucent um, library from here. You need to download Intel Lucent from here and copies this and install into your Python. Actually, I already installed it, so I don't want to press it again. Any Actually, when you write this Intel Lucent support Python version 3.9 until 3.11. So it's very easy to use this. But I think 3 point, let me read the description. The support Python. See, it is support from Python 3.7, 3.8 and to 3.11. If you install 3.12, you cannot install the PI sense to it be resistant to read the image from Intel camera. For example, last time I opened Intel viewer. Let me see. Okay, Intel viewer still read the data from camera, and now I'm doing. I open the Intel project. Example, I open point cloud. Remember that there are in a Python shop project, you import pyreal2, and I use CV2 to indicate some point cloud data. So for projects from here, I don't explain in detail projects, but I will share everything from here to my YouTube channel. You can download it and try. So everything's the first time we confirm the server Intel and viewer starting. So open your point clouds project and right clicks and run. When I start Intel Lucent camera point cloud, I see point cloud is mean that is detect the diff and Arabic image at the same place. So it can detect the X and Y and Z of the image. From there we can we can draw 3D image from here. X and Y, X, Y, yes, for direction of the image. But actually I don't use this for object detection. Let me close this one. I will share everything to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I stop this one first. What I'm doing, I open YOLO depth image. Okay, I open the image. Let me see depth image. PI recent 2, and let me try this. We don't need this. Depth distance. We find distance in image. Oh, let me see what problem with this. Ultralytics. Depth image. Let me see what wrong with this. Okay, I try to start it again and see what happened. Let me read the error from here. You are toast load my forced current dot load CPUs. I see funny running too much. Disable firmware. Okay. Yolo 11. Yeah, I'm using Yolo 11 from here. So in this project, because I'm doing Yolo V10, so I need to check Yolo app image. Don't F Yolo here or Yolo 11 from here. So I need to change the code from here because I'm using Yolo V10. So what I'm doing is I need to check Control C Yolo V10. So I need to do this. What is Yolo V10 from here? Yolo V10. And from here I need to copy Yolo V10 from here. Yolo V10 from here, right? Model here. Okay, Yolo V10 in here. And right click, copy part, and copy is here. Yolo 11 here already. So Yolo V10. Oh, from here I need to use Yolo V10 from here. Okay. And I start projects. Okay, now you can see from here distance from the image, because in the image I already marked 1 point. I can see the distance from the camera to the dash point. Let's see from here. Okay, I already start Python Yolo V10. So in this image, I draw 1 point on the image. I want to calculate the distance from this point. Or this part is same, right? It is RGB image. It is depth image. So the distance from this is actually from my another two place. One from another on the wall. So it on the wall from here, it take a 2.3 meter, nearly 3.4 2.4 meter from the camera to the wall behind me. So actually intelligent camera will read the data from the distance from the image from the camera to any point behind me. Yeah, so actually intelligent camera is very great. The camera it use very easy to use in the robot application. The project is here. I use intelligent camera only. So I will show you the application of the intelligent camera in the real application, like a robot car example. Okay, let me try to start. Intelligent already start. I will say a complete projects in my video. Don't worry that you can see how to use this. Actually, it is very hard to explain the code from here. I also learn the code in the projects, and then I use this. It takes time. But anyway, easily to explain for you the code, the YOLO detection from here. And, the first time you import pyreal2 and numpy for read the array. So import CV2 and this YOLO for object detection. So in IU modern YOLO V10 nano, the smallest one. So in this one Intel Ryzen camera. So this one I don't need to explain because this is from the library. but I will explain for you some location of the YOLO detections. In the loop, you say that the frames from here you can see depth frame and color frames. Depth frame let it call the depth image, and color frame is RGB image. From here you can find a depth point from here. Okay, the depth image you can select one position, width and height. So this is the position of the point you want to measure the distance. Actually here I want to measure the distance at 100 and 100, so I can Y. Okay, and then I draw a circle. Use CV2 to draw a circle on an image, and I will display it on CV2. Okay, the display is from here. Okay, and I will stop this project and I will show you the application of intelligent camera in the real situation. Let me stop it. Okay, I will start opening the robot projects. I have plenty of project from here. I open robot MQTTs. I use MQTTs for communication. So you go to robot project 3.9 and 3.9 cam1. Yeah, 3.9 cam1. I started. Okay, start the projects. Wait me for some time. I need to take. Okay, in this projects, I have the forward camera, app camera, API LiDAR. But let me bring API LiDAR come here, and you can see from here. The first time you need to see the forward camera is Intel recent camera first. Start Intel recent camera. Okay. I will start Intel recent. Oh, okay. Now Intel recent camera already start. You can observe the image from here, and object detection. I use YOLO V10, and I open the camera forward from here. Okay, Intel recent camera indicate from here. The project is using Python and PIQT 6. So yeah, let me show you how to open PIQT6 robot contact. Sorry, here robot control interface from here. I use PIQTs. So for designing the HMIs, I need to introduce you another video because it's more complicated. Okay, this is very big projects for me. I make a robot car which have two camera, one up and one forward, and one AP LiDAR C1 for detection the object around the works array area. So I need to take the AP LiDAR and to show you later. Okay, I try to start up camera. Start forward and start up, and I can see up camera from here, forward, backward. Okay, backward camera here. It's not, actually it's here I only use video, but if you want to set the camera list, you can set ucam. You'll earn. I use 8D webcam, so I need to input the webcam from app camera. What I'm doing is I need to stop the video first, and I type from here number 4 is 8D camera. So I need to set app, and I start the app camera, so I can see the アップ camera from here. Which for sometimes Python will read the app camera, but forward camera is starting app camera. Wait, let me stop this and try to use ucam ucams cyberlinks ucam. Okay, I open cyberlink ucamera number 3, index number 3. So what I'm doing is open cameras here. Intel. Sorry, camera already open here. So I need to stop it. Number 4. And then I use Intel recent cameras here. Switch camera. Okay, this camera already open here. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I will try this. This is app camera. So if I want to view the camera in this one, I need to check cam list. So cyberlink ucam here, number 3. So what I need to port number 3 from here and set app camera in start app camera. So the app camera would indicate inside the image. Okay, sorry. App camera from here. Okay, sorry, very big. This is forward cameras. I use Intel Lucent. This is app camera. I use Logitech camera, so I can observe both camera at the same time on the image on the Python projects. But that is running on Yolo, so the CPU running very hard. Let me see how much CPU. 100% or 70% CPUs and 25% GPU. Working very hard. So that's why it's very hard to do this project in Raspberry Pi, because the CPUs and GPU is very hard to run very hard. Okay. I will share this complete projects I will stop this project. Stop it now. Let's close this. Okay. I will share complete project everything to my video so you can read it. So in this video I concentrate on the Intel Lucent camera and how to use this. So I need to conclude the first time you need to download Intel Lucent Viewer. You can search on internet, download Intel Lucent Viewer and start Intel Lucent server. That is second. The third time you open download uh, install pyreal 2 in your Python. And the third time I will upload on the projects and Python program for you, so you can try to learn this. Okay, thank you very much. I will upload complete the program for you to thank you.